Focus now on your forecast with KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright. He's going to break down how much snow, where, and when.
And what we get before that, right?
Right. Before we get to the snow, we do have a thunderstorm chance this afternoon, but I do want to show you the winter storm watch that has been expanded in the early morning hours. It includes eastern Indiana County, south into Westmoreland, Fayette, Preston, and Garrett and Somerset counties. In this, from 1 p.m. this afternoon through 7 p.m. on Thursday, this is where the heaviest accumulations and the best or the more likely locations to see travel issues will stack up. So let's break down the key points for this winter weather event coming up later this week. The Laurel Highlands and the Ridges will likely start to see snow showers through the day on Thursday. Light amounts are expected. We're going to be above freezing during that time frame, but Thursday night, we're talking late Thursday night into Friday, that's when the steadier snow will move in, and that's where we'll likely see the highest accumulation, 6 to 9 inches, snow-covered roads, and wind gusts of 30 to 50 miles per hour. Now, in the lowlands, the Pittsburgh metro area, we'll still have our chance for some rain and snow showers tomorrow. Similar to the Laurel Highlands, we'll be above freezing most of the day, and that's when we'll likely see some snow showers, but not sticking to the surfaces. We're going to be above freezing, little accumulation through the day on Thursday, but Thursday night into Friday, that's when that steadier snow will move in and could lead to some minor accumulations. This afternoon, though, temperatures work their way back into the mid-60s. We'll see a chance for thunderstorms with a strong cold front that'll move in. That front is out to the west at the present moment. You can see that strong band of showers in Illinois. That will eventually turn into our thunderstorms this afternoon, likely arriving between the noon and 6 p.m. time frame. Temperatures will work their way back into the mid and upper 50s and low 60s. There come your thunderstorms between noon and 6 p.m. And the area I've outlined in red is where we could see an isolated severe storm. Some of the models are starting to trend upwards a little bit on the instability, so we'll have to watch that closely. That'll shift to the east, where it'll be followed by gusty winds later this evening and mostly dry conditions through the evening and overnight hours. Now, Thursday morning, there come those scattered snow showers moving in, and that will pretty much cover our entire area through the day tomorrow. Temperatures, though, well above freezing, so minimal accumulation through the day on Thursday. But then Thursday night into Friday, as that next wave of energy pivots in from the north and west, we'll see a more widespread area of snow, and temperatures will be closer to freezing during that time frame. So that's when we could see some accumulation on those grassy surfaces, but much more significant in the Laurel Highlands and the Ridges. And then by Thursday afternoon, or Friday afternoon rather, we are warming up, and that's when we'll likely see some of that snow transition back to rain. Snowfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches up along the I-80 corridor. Here in the Pittsburgh metro area, the farther west you go, lighter amounts, a trace to 1 inch expected, around an inch here in the metro. And then as you get farther east into Westmoreland, Indiana counties, that's where those amounts will step up upwards of 3 to 6 inches. And that blue shading, and then the dark blue that goes from Cambria County south through Somerset into portions of Garrett County. That's where we could see upwards of 6 inches, even locally higher amounts there. Again, this will occur over several days. Don't expect to see this all in one point, and some of that will melt at various times as well. 40 degrees tomorrow, 42 on Friday. The snow will move out with a few lingering showers on Saturday. Temperatures will start to moderate by the end of the weekend.